Have you ever got to the end of the day and thought, I've been busy all day, so why haven't I actually done the one thing that I needed to do? That used to be me, and I'd tell myself I was being productive. I'd clean the kitchen, I'd reorganize the cupboard, I'd create another spreadsheet or plan another video or research another content idea, anything except the one thing that would actually move me closer to my goal. I call it productive procrastination, or CC, because for me, my procrastination is cleaning or creating. And the funny thing is, when I was doing it, I genuinely believed I was making progress. I tell myself, well, the kitchen needed cleaning anyway. Or I'll just organize this thing first and then I'll be able to concentrate. Or this won't take long. Sound familiar? And then suddenly 2 hours had disappeared and the important project still hadn't been touched. And I'd promised myself, oh, it's fine, I'll definitely do it tomorrow. And then tomorrow would come and somehow something else suddenly felt urgent. I could go on like this for days and even weeks, and maybe you've done it too. Why do we do it? Here's what I realized. It wasn't because I was lazy. It wasn't because I lacked motivation. It was because my brain was choosing certainty over discomfort. Cleaning the kitchen gives you an instant result. You can see it. You can see the difference. Organizing a cupboard, for example, gives you that little hit of satisfaction. Creating something new is exciting. And researching one more thing is just another way to feel satisfied. But the thing you've been avoiding, that usually comes with uncertainty. What if it isn't good enough? What if I fail? What if people judge me? So instead, our brains quietly steer us towards something that feels safe. And because it's still productive, we don't even realize we're procrastinating. And this is the dangerous part. Productive procrastination is so convincing because you don't even feel guilty. You tell yourself, at least I wasn't sitting on the sofa all day. At least I got loads done. Being busy isn't the same as making progress. Sometimes we're so busy ticking off all these small jobs that we never make time for the one thing that could actually change our life. The turning point, the thing that changed everything for me, wasn't trying to become more disciplined. It was becoming more aware. The next time I caught myself saying, I'll just quickly, I stopped. Because I'd heard it before. I'll just quickly clean the kitchen. I'll just quickly reorganize this. I'll just quickly research this. That phrase became my warning sign. Not because cleaning is bad, because I started using it as an escape. So here's something I'd love you to try. The next time you've got something important to do, but you suddenly decide to do something else, don't judge yourself. Just get curious. Ask yourself, what is it that's grabbed my attention instead? Was it cleaning? Was it creating? Was it shopping? Scrolling? Watching TV? Answering emails? Once you recognize the pattern, you cannot unsee it. And that is when change becomes possible. Systems beat willpower. After spotting my pattern, I stopped relying on motivation. Instead, I built systems because systems remove the excuses. If I wanted to work out, I leave my gym clothes out the night before. If I want to eat better, I prepare my lunches on Sunday. If I want to work on YouTube, I already know what video I'm going to film that week because I put it in a planner. And I'm not perfect. I'm definitely not. And I'm still procrastinating, but just much less than I used to because I make it way harder for my brain to escape into the busy work. So let me leave you with this one question. What is your version of cleaning the kitchen? What's the thing you always seem to do instead of the thing that you know would actually move your life forward? I'd love to know in the comments. I've got a feeling a lot more of us are productively procrastinating than we realize. Try the tips from this video and let me know how you've gone after you've applied them. And if you love hearing content and strategies like these, then why not hit that like and subscribe button so you don't miss out? And as always, take care of you. See you in the next one.